Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are going to share with you the great announcement of the hour. That is the good news for all our Indian brothers and sisters that Facebook launches monetization in India also. That means India is now amongst those eligible countries which will have monetization switched on their Facebook videos. That means, guys, you can now earn money by posting videos on your Facebook page just like you did in your YouTube channel. As we know, guys, this feature was launched back in 2017. Only 5 countries were made eligible, and after that, in September, 21 more countries were made eligible. And now in November, the Facebook has allowed India also in the eligibility list to enter. So just like YouTube, the Facebook will have certain criteria which we need to meet in order to get our eligibility on. So before I move further in this video telling you about the criteria or the condition which we require to fulfill in order to get eligible in the Facebook page for getting monetization on, I want you guys to please subscribe to my channel, as it takes a lot of effort to create videos and your subscription is quite a motivation. So let's move further and let's talk about the criteria. So guys, Facebook has 4 basic criterias. The number one is that you must have a Facebook page, not the profile but the Facebook page. You need to create your own page in which you are going to post the videos, because only the page feature will have the creator studio feature, which will allow you to upload the videos and get the monetization done on it. After that, you need 10,000 followers on your Facebook page. And the third condition, which is a bit typical one, uh, it is that you need 30,000 views of 1 minute in past 60 days. That means you need 30,000 views at least of 1 minute. Only then it will be count in the past 2 months. This is a bit difficult one, but I hope the good content will cover it very easily. And the fourth condition is, guys, your country. You need to be in that country, or your ID of Facebook should be of that country which is eligible. So as we have talked about early in this video, India is now eligible for this thing. Also, guys, we should know one more thing, that this thing goes by many names like Facebook ad break, Facebook Watch, and Facebook for Creators. You can Google the eligibility things everywhere in the internet by all these names: Facebook Watch, Facebook Ad Break, Facebook for Creators. Also, guys, I have mentioned some links in the description which will allow you to get help and access to all the blogs over which you can read about the contents and the copyright things, all the other criteria in very deep details. One more thing you must be having in your mind, that if I can post my same YouTube videos to Facebook, yes guys, you can do it. It is completely legal or eligible. So I hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you guys. Signing off.